Welcome to the Bureaucrat IT video. This week we're going to talk about PowerPoint. Now, many of you may use the term death by PowerPoint, or many of you think, I already know everything about PowerPoint, so what can you add to this video that I don't know about? What I can add to this video is a functionality with Office 365, or a couple of functionalities with Office 365. The first one we're going to talk about is AutoSave. It's a toggle switch in the top right hand corner of PowerPoint, which if switched on means that multiple people can access the same file, make changes to it without affecting one another. The second feature is a use case which is underutilized, and that is for example, the salesperson, the director, the CEO planning to present at an event, and there's a couple of slides that you want to be added, but you can't stay in the office and you've got to travel. So what some people do is they make changes to a file and then email it over. Now that's great if you're the only person modifying the file, but in another scenario, what if that person needs to see the up-to-date version of the file? They get so many emails and they don't know which one has your up-to-date document. A better way to do this is they know where the documents are stored, and if you're utilizing Office 365, then as long as they just go to the same location, they can see if the file's been updated, and when they get to the destination and open the PowerPoint, they can start their presentation, see that a member of staff has made those changes, and discuss those points without feeling that they're adding to that meeting or presentation where there's no content to back up what they're saying. So having that ability that somebody else back in the office is making those changes, you're just switching on your computer, tablet or mobile and starting a presentation. As long as you've got an internet connection, which if you've got Wi-Fi at the location or a telephone mobile data connection, then you're fine. So in this scenario, this is a benefit where it's underutilized, but more and more people and businesses should utilize it when you're working with a larger team. If you want to know how to utilize this feature in more detail, please contact us using the links below. Subscribe for future videos from our team, and drop us any questions if you want more details on this topic. Thanks for watching and have a great day.